Okay, welcome everybody for the IQL match number 6. This is Anurag here, and our quest for finding the best quizzers amongst all of you continues. So, welcome again for this match, Indian Quizzing League match number 6. Without taking much of time, let's start introducing our top quizzers who are participating today. And before that, there are a lot of audience questions also, and through that audience questions, आप लोग सब इस क्विज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छी टीम्स बननी शुरू हो गई हैं, बहुत सारे क्विजर्स ने ज्वाइन करना स्टार्ट किया है और आज दो ऐसे क्विजर्स डेब्यू भी कर रहे हैं. सो आप में से ही क्विजर्स विद वेरीड प्रोफेशन, varied interest, but their passion for quizzing is what is common, which brings them to this platform, which is a quizzing for a cause as well. दोस्तों आज के क्विज में देखते हैं कि कौन गोल्ड लेके जाता है. इट विल बी अ ओलंपिक पैक्ड क्विजिंग. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट going for the introduction of the top 5 quizzers who are there. Joining me first is Kaushik Bhattacharya from New Delhi. Kaushik is basically an ad man and a writer, and works takes him to places, at such a lovely places where we'll have to pay and go for those places. So welcome Kaushik for this quiz. You can wave off. Okay, great. Along with Kaushik is Debasmit Panja from Haldia, all the way from Haldia. Debasit is again an electrical engineer working in a multinational oil marketing company, and again his passion of quizzing brings him here. Welcome Debasmit. Joining with Debasmit is Saveri Nayak from Noida. Saveri is a passionate quizzer again, and apart from that, for a profession, she's a quality analyst and auditor in the world's leading IT company. Welcome Saveri, you can wave. Great. Then we have a debut making today in Joydeep Roy. Joydeep is from Mumbai. Joydeep is the global leader of health insurance practice in one of the big 5 consulting companies. He is an artist, he's a sports enthusiast, he's a music lover, occasional singer, and if that was not enough, he plays musical instruments also. Welcome Joydeep, and we'll get to know more about you when we get you in the direct question. And lastly, Chandan Shahi from Khargaon, Madhya Pradesh. Chandan is a deputy general manager in a leading PSU company, and he's a winner of a lot of prestigious quizzes, and he is also one of the participants of Hot Seat in Kaun Banega Crorepati. Welcome Chandan. Great. So these are our 5 players who will be playing from the field. Joining us in the dugout are Pankaj Yadav, who is a quality executive. He is also making a debut today. So Pankaj, if you can come on camera. Then we have Chiranjeev Singh, who is a zonal head of an FMCG company. And we have Nishchal Srivastav, who is a head of supply chain in an EPC company in Delhi. So welcome Nishchal, welcome Pankaj, and welcome Chiranjeev. You'll be playing from the dugout, but you all stand a good chance to be the match winner today as well. Okay, so let's normally a big thanks to my partner in this initiative, Pulkit. Pulkit is a chartered accountant by profession, and he's again working in a leading oil marketing company, and he is doing all the backhand, which is not visible as such. So Pulkit, if you want to come spotlight yourself, so there is Pulkit for you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 minutes already up, and let's introduce without any delay our quiz master for the day, Deepak Taneja. Deepak Taneja is one of the leading quizzer winners of a lot of quizzing events in India, and he is there with you. Welcome Deepak, and over to you Deepak.
Hi. Good evening. Thank you very much. Anurag, it's totally what do you say, the atmosphere is Olympiized today. I mean, it's charged up with Mirabai Chanu winning a silver medal on the very first day, and India, at least in not my lifetime, I have never seen India standing on the second number in medals tally. I mean, this after China on the very first day. I don't know where will we stand on the final day, but at least on the opening day we are on the second spot. So that's a great moment for all Indians, and I hope the spirit of Mirabai Chanu is going to enter all the participants today, and we are going to enjoy a very thrilling match like we had last time.
Great. So Deepak, if you permit, should we move on with the first rule slide?
Certainly.
So this is quickly. You can just have a look. Everybody knows about it. So let's move. Congrats, our debutants today, Joydeep Roy and Pankaj Yadav. And let's play, Deepak. Over to you. So first question coming
Okay.
for everyone. So
First question for all the participants.
and yeah, and they have to raise their hands, and audience can also raise their hand, but we'll ask them later on.
Yeah.
So
Which
this
famous company is an acronym that consists founders' initials and those of Elmatrid, the family farm where he was born, and the nearby village Agunnaryd, his hometown in Sweden.
right. So we have the quizzing closing. We have Chandan Shai first, then we have Kaushik Bhattacharya, and then we have Joydeep in that order. So let's go to Chandan first.
Yeah.
Chandan, what's your
Yeah,
answer?
my answer is IKEA. It is IKEA.
Can you spell it out? How do you spell out?
IKEA.
Okay, Deepak, what do you say?
IKEA.
Yeah, certainly you call it
IKEA.
IKEA, you call it IKEA, but the answer is correct. The founder is Ingvar Kamprad, and I think Chandan gets plus 10 for that.
Yep,
Straight plus
Chandan.
10.
So opening shot with
donning the
Chandan.
India t-shirt, and I think the Mirabai Chanu spirit has entered him already.
Okay, let's now move on to the audience question. Audience, आपकी बारी आ चुकी है. So can we have now in front of us Kaushik? Kaushik, can we spotlight Kaushik? Kaushik, you can lower your hand, and I can also come in. Right. So there it is. So Kaushik,
Anurag,
just unmute.
Sorry to interrupt, Anurag. Can you just tell the audience about the rules?
I'll tell.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. So, Kaushik, but your camera is not there. I don't know whether. Yeah, so great. So, Kaushik, the question comes to you. You know the rules. Direct question plus 10. Immediately you have to answer if you know the answer. Otherwise, you can say audience poll and then we'll go to the audience. Okay. And then you again get a chance. So, the question for you, Chandan, is which city will host Olympics 2024? Which city will host Olympics 2024? Sorry, Kaushik. Kaushik. Sorry, Kaushik.
Sorry.
Kaushik, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Kaushik,
Am I
go ahead.
audible? Because Anurag, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, you're audible. Go ahead.
I'm saying your voice is breaking, Anurag. Can you repeat the question because I could barely hear you?
Which city will host Olympic 2024?
I couldn't hear the question, Anurag. Probably.
Which city will host Olympic 2024?
Okay. I would go with the answer Los Angeles.
Okay, so let's go to the audience. Audience, आपकी बारी आ गई है, तो I'm not telling which is right or wrong. Audience, here is your chance. So आपके पास options आएंगे, उसको आपको बताना है कि what is the answer, what do you think is the answer. So here is the question for you, audience. So the options are, as Kaushik said, Los Angeles, Brisbane, Paris or Doha. Okay, your time is going to end, audience. आपका समय खत्म होने वाला है. 1, 2 and 3. So Kaushik, I'm just sharing the results of audience. You can have a look. So your first choice is wrong. Los Angeles is wrong answer. You want to go, you get a minus 10. You want to go for another one after seeing the audience results. 44% are saying Paris. And you can see the breakup, right? So do you want to go for another chance of 5 points?
Yes, I would like to change my answer to Paris.
Okay, so Paris will give you plus 5. Basically, you'll get 5 marks out of the minus 10 earlier. So you get minus 5 in total, but Paris in fact is the right answer. Okay, so great, Kaushik. So that was the first.
Thank you, audience.
That was the first that question. Yeah, you can thanks the audience just like they do in KBC. And that's the answer for you, Paris is the answer. Okay, Deepak, over to you for the next question.
Okay, participants, on your buzzers, or you can say raise hands. Question 2 coming up. You have to identify either one of the one standing behind PM Narendra Modi.
Okay,
Any
five,
one of them. Any one
Yeah.
of them will fetch you 10 points.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and for contestant the question closes. Nishchal is first, then it is Saveri, and from audience, if they don't answer, Samir Kumar is there. So over to you, Nishchal.
Yeah, it is Jitendra Singh on the right of Mr. Modi.
Okay, Jitendra Singh. So we just wanted, and Jitendra Singh, in fact, Deepak ji, what do you say?
Yeah, I think he gets 10 points for that. Perfectly
And-
identified.
And any idea who is the other one,
You
Nishchal?
can ask the audience, Anurag, the other one.
Let's go to Samir. Samir, you want to answer?
It is, I think Jiten Singh was my guess, but Mansukh, our health minister, Mansukh
Okay.
Mandalia.
Okay, so let's go to the answer. So it is, Deepak ji. So the
Yeah, the answer is Prahlad Joshi,
Okay.
Prahlad Joshi.
Minister for Parliamentary Affairs.
Okay, great. So Nishchal gets plus 10, and let's go to the question, direct question, which is the power play question. And this question comes to Devasmith. So Devasmith, if you can unmute yourself. Is Devasmith unmuted? Yes, great. So Devasmith, you can hear me loud and clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question is, just listen carefully. What is the full name of the Eid which we celebrated few days back? So it is not Bakra Eid. Bakra Eid is a slang or short form. What is the full name of that Eid which we recently celebrated?
It is Idul Zuha.
Okay, so I won't say whether you're wrong or right. Let's go to the participants. And participants, आपकी बारी फिर से आ गई है. And आपको बताना है from these 4 options. What is the full name of Eid? Is it Eid al-Adha? Is it Eid al-Fitr? Is it Eid al-Milad? Or is it Eid-e-Ghadir? So Eid al-Zuha doesn't even figure. So you get a minus 10, Devasmith, at your first shot. And let's see what audience are up to. So audience, last 3 seconds. और ये आपका समय समाप्त होता है. So Devasmith, I will show you the results which audience have come up with. So 89% are saying Eid al-Adha and few are saying Eid al-Fitr. So Devasmith, do you want to go for the second shot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the answer? Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha?
Yes.
Okay, so you again are going the same pattern of the previous. So you get plus 10 over here, sorry, plus 5. So total minus 5 you get.
Anurag, I would like to intervene here.
Mhm.
That answer is correct actually. It is known as Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Zuha. There are, both the names are correct.
Okay. Okay, but generally when I search it is Eid al-Adha.
Very true, because see, it's a Shia and Sunni way of saying it.
Okay.
Earlier it was used, it used to be pronounced as Eid al-Zuha, and now because we are using the Saudi thing, so it is known as Eid al-Adha.
So should we give him 10 points?
Yeah, plus 10.
Okay,
He deserves,
okay.
deserves plus 10.
Okay, plus 10 to Devasmith. Devasmith, so that's
Thank you,
where a good quizzer always come handy. So Deepak has saved with that, and you get plus 10. Okay, so you don't get any minus. Okay, so we can unmute Devasmith, and let's go to the next question, Deepak.
Yeah. Okay, we need the exact spelling. Simply fill the missing. Exact spelling will do. Tokyo, here we dash. Amul sabke man ka preet. We need the exact spelling. The wrong spelling will minus 10.
Okay, I can't see any hands so far raised. From audience,
It's very easy.
80%.
It's very easy. Don't get confused by my question. Whatever you thought may be correct.
And a big hint is Man Ka Preet at the down.
Yeah.
Okay,
I think already
so-
participants have buzzed. Yeah.
Okay, so finally we have Joydeep and Pankaj. So let's close for participants. Joydeep, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Joydeep.
So I was thinking that Tokyo, first thing came to me was Tokyo, here we come, COME. But then since you said spelling, I saw Mary Com leading that flag bearer. So it should be, is it com? Mary Tokyo, here we come.
Okay, Deepak,
Very
what do you
well,
say?
very well. You very well took my clue.
Yeah, it was
Took my
deduced.
clue.
It deduced,
Yeah.
completely deduced. I didn't know this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally. That's a good.
Great.
That's the quality of a good quizzer. You work it out, and it is KOM com.
Fantastic.
Great.
Amol is known for such snippets
That's
actually.
right. Rahul Dakuna. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay, great opening, Joydeep. And next question coming to Saveri. Saveri, this is the question for you, direct question. If Saveri can be there on screen,
Yes.
and we can, yeah, Saveri, how are you doing?
Yeah, fine. And I hope
Okay.
all of you are safe.
Okay, Saveri, stay cool. And this is your question, Olympic one. Which state of India has the maximum representation in the Tokyo Olympics 2020? So which state have sent the maximum number of athletes basically? What do you think? Or you can just take the audience if you're not sure.
I'll go with the audience.
Okay, so audience, आपकी फिर से बारी. And the question comes to you here on your screen. And here it comes. So state of India which has maximum representation in Tokyo Olympics. Is it Tamil Nadu? Is it Punjab? Is it Haryana? Or is it Kerala? Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana or Kerala? And your time finishes in 3, 2 and 1. So Saveri, you want to see the results?
Yes.
So here are the results in front of you, if you can see. 79% saying Haryana, 16% saying Punjab, nobody is in favor of Tamil Nadu, and Kerala gets 5%. So what is your call, Saveri?
Yeah, I'll go with Haryana.
Haryana will get you plus 10, Saveri. Plus 5. And Haryana it is. Great. Saveri gets plus 5. And moving on to the next question. Over to you, Deepak. And this question is for everyone.
Thank you, Anurag. So, brand owned by which person? Celebrity.
So in a flash, our brand master of the day, Kaushik, has gone, and nobody else is pressing so far. Okay, so let's close it, and Kaushik and Pankaj goes now. So Pankaj, that's it. We're closing now. So Kaushik, what's your answer? Yeah, Kaushik, we can hear you.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
Kaushik, you are.
Yeah, my answer would be David Beckham.
David Beckham.
We'll give you minus 10.
Minus 10. Yes.
So Pankaj, you had raised a hand earlier, then have you lowered it? Don't lower your hands. Pankaj, over to you. What is the answer?
Is it Virat Kohli?
Okay, minus 10 to Pankaj as well. Then Saveri, finally. Saveri, what's your answer?
Is it Virgin Atlantic?
Okay, so minus 10 to all of them and nobody going for it. So Deepak, over to you.
I think that's MS Dhoni. So Anurag is known to, throw googlies at participants. And the ball is quite old. The googly looks good. So this question
Okay.
is 4 years old.
Okay, so now we have Joydeep. Joydeep, direct one coming to you. And if you're ready, we can have you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Joydeep. So here's your question. Who is the Education Minister of India? Joydeep. And if you don't know, you can always go for audience.
Yeah, I'll go for the audience right away.
Great.
I'm quite
Yeah,
down on the parliamentary those photographs with this I can see now.
Great. And the way they are changing, so that's
Yeah,
also
exactly.
Okay, so audience, आपकी बारी आ गई है. And here it is. Who is the Education Minister of India? Is it Smriti Irani? Is it Dharmendra Pradhan? Is it Ramesh Pokhriyal? Or is it Prakash Javadekar? Smriti Irani, Dharmendra Pradhan, Ramesh Pokhriyal or Prakash Javadekar?
It's Javadekar, right? Javadekar.
Javadekar. Okay, so I'm ending the polling now. And Joydeep, you want to see the results? What our audience have done?
Yeah, sure.
So these are the results in front of you, Joydeep.
I'll go with
89%.
audience. I have
Okay.
obviously opted for audience, and I'll respect that. I'll go with audience.
Straight away you go with audience, and audience is right. So you get +5, Joydeep, and that was a direct one. Okay, so Dharmendra Pradhan it was indeed. So well done, audience. Audience are playing great today, Deepak. Audience are giving
Can we
all
have the
answers.
scores now. Yeah, audience is really
No, scores we have scores will show at the 5th question.
okay.
Okay, so Deepak, this is your question.
Okay, connect and claim to fame. You have to give me both the parts. In fact, connect and claim to fame is same, you can say.
And we are seeing a lot of people going because Olympic is the flavor of the day. So
Yeah.
we have Debasmit, Pankaj and Chandan in that order. So don't lower your hands now. Debasmit, Pankaj and Chandan. And if they don't give right, then AD Prasad are enthusiastic from the audience always. So Debasmit, what's your answer?
Sir, this is KD Yadav and Karnam Maleshwari. KD Yadav is the first male individual Olympic medalist, and Karnam Maleshwari first female Olympic medalist of India.
Brilliant, Deepak.
Yeah.
So that's a brilliant answer. And independent India.
The specific answer you said was independent India, but there's still controversy about Norman Pritchard, whether we should consider him as an Indian or not, or because he participated in individual capacity in the Paris Olympics.
Right,
So
right.
I think this answer is good enough to give 10 points.
Yeah, well done, Debasmit. And
Since,
now,
Anurag, can I say something? Something interesting?
yeah, sure.
Since the name of Norman Pritchard came up, so Norman Pritchard was actually born in Calcutta.
Right.
And
Yeah.
the other interesting thing, other than Olympics and stuff, is that he used to work for a company called Birds.
Oh,
And
okay.
that is the first company which Amitabh Bachchan's first
Amitabh
job was
Bachchan's
in the same
company,
company.
yeah. Birds.
Oh, okay, great. Good.
Since the name came up, yeah.
So
Great.
that can be a good connect question in the future quizzes. Jyoti.
Yeah, of course.
Great,
But you won't be
Joydeep.
allowed to answer that, don't worry.
Yeah. 4 years later.
Okay, thanks, Joydeep. That was a great, nice trivia. So we knew that he is from Calcutta, and then he later went to America, I think, settled there. But we didn't know that Birds was the company, and Amitabh Bachchan is a great connect. Great trivia. That's the beauty of this quiz which we do. So we get a lot of inputs from everyone. So we do a lot of crowdsourcing for the questions as well, and we do get a lot of questions from our fellow quizzers. Okay, so let's get Chandan Shahi now. Chandan, if you can be on camera. Okay, Chandan. So can you hear me, Chandan?
Yeah.
Okay, Chandan. Here's your question. Agra Fort in its present state. Agra Fort in its present state was built by whom? Basically, Agra Fort was built by whom? The current state. Yeah. So do you want to go? Or you want to go for the audience?
Let me just.
So your time is up, Chandan. Just
Okay, we'll go for your audience.
audience, yeah. So audience, आपकी फिर से बारी आ गई है. Final question, audience. और जो जितना जल्दी जवाब देगा, he gets into IQL in the next matches. So here's the question for all of you. Was it Jahangir? Was it Shahjahan? Was it Akbar? Or was it Babur? आगरा फोर्ट किसने बनाया था? जहांगीर, शाहजहां, अकबर या बाबर ने? जहांगीर, शाहजहां, अकबर, बाबर. मुझे लगता था थोड़ा क्वेश्चन ये इजी है, बट ऑडियंस के रिप्लाई बड़े वेग आ रहे हैं. एनी हाउ, सो वी आर क्लोजिंग द पोलिंग नाउ. एंड चंदन, हियर आर द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ ऑडियंस विच यू वांट लाइक टू सी. 60% are saying Akbar and 40% are saying Shahjahan. Nobody is saying Babur or Jahangir. So you have two options to choose if you want to go with audience. So what do you want to do, Chandan?
No choice but to go with the audience.
Okay, so Deepak, I'll give you the liberty to give the answer. Deepak, what is the answer? This is Deepak Taneja's question.
The audience is right as always, because many people think that Red Fort and Agra Fort are quite similar, so both must have been built by Shah Jahan, but it's not correct. Actually, Akbar built the Agra Fort. Shah Jahan later on built the Red Fort at Delhi, so it's correct.
Great. So that was a googly, well taken by audience also. I'm really pleased with the audience. Audience is doing great. Okay, so
In fact, I will share a trivia, Anurag. The
Okay,
fort
quickly.
at Agra and Lahore, they both are the same pattern. I have been to both the places.
Okay,
and
great.
Both were built by Akbar. Yeah, both were built by Akbar.
Great. So now, friends, what we have been here for a cause as well, and we have our guest performer coming in front of us, who is none other than Ritvik. Ritvik has been a real performer here. So can we have Ritvik spotlighted now?
Hello, everyone.
Hello,
And team.
Hello, Ritvik. How are you?
Again and again in your show.
Great. Welcome, Ritvik. And the chat is now open. So if anybody wants to chat and loosen yourself, you can do it. And the participant can also stretch out with the second half starting soon. It will be a very quick one. So Ritvik, what are you? I think you are doing something great today. You're doing something different. You are. Guesses are. I think you are singing an English song today. Is it?
Yes, I'm singing "Careless Whisper" by Wham.
Wow, what a great.
Here I am.
Wow, what a performance, Ritvik, what a performance. So I can see everybody clapping and sending emojis also of claps. So Ritvik, आपने आज मौसम बदल दिया.
Thank you.
Great. So Ritvik also takes online classes, and if anyone wants to join the classes, and that is a sustainable way for Ritvik as well. So they can reach out to me, and I just showed the slides as well. So Ritvik, please stay with us. You will give the prizes to the winner. So just be with us.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Ritvik. Thank you. Pleasure is all ours. Thank you. Thank you, Ritvik.
Welcome.
So that's a request for Ritvik again. If anybody wants to buy the gold pass or silver pass, that is for the audience. The participants here, I want to tell everybody is contributing something today, and that's how we crowdsource. So anybody who is from audience and wants to buy a gold pass or silver pass for rupees 150 can contribute, and I'll pass it on to Ritvik. Okay, so that was here. Let's get back to the game. So can we have the scores, Pulkit? Deepak ji, over to you.
My, what a competition. What a competition. Kaushik on -15, Devashmit on +20, Saveri -5, Joydeep +15, Chandan +15, Pankaj -10, Nishchal +10, Chiranjeev still to score, but 45 points are still there to score. So it can be anybody's game, And we had a really thriller of a match last time. Let's hope we end up.
Yes, great. So anybody can win, and we'll keep on showing scores again and again. So Deepak, over to you. So this is +15 and -10 for everyone. So Deepak, here comes the next question.
Okay. The top list of what and missing country? USA, India, Brazil, Russia. So you have to give both the parts to get 15 points. Anurag, can we give part points if they give half the one?
Yeah, that's fine, because if they know the answer, then they will know both of them.
Okay.
So I can already see Saveri raising hands, and we are just waiting if anybody else want to join. And we are closing for Devasmit just at the nick, and we are closing now. So Saveri, what is your answer? Yes, Saveri.
Yeah. Is it for the vaccine making countries?
Okay, I will not keep you in too much trouble. So -10 for you, Saveri. Devasmit, what is your answer?
Sir, we need to answer both or anyone?
Just go once. If you know that one, then you'll know the other also.
This is the top 5 list of COVID infected, COVID affected, infected, COVID positive people list.
But you have to give the missing country. That is important. Yeah.
Missing it's United Kingdom.
Okay, -10 to you.
Actually,
okay.
I thought anyone would do. That's why.
Yeah, I will not give you negative, but no points. Okay, so let's now go to Samir. Samir from audience. Yes, Samir, what is your answer?
Is this Italy, sir? Italy?
Italy sounded very logical, but it is not Italy.
Okay.
And let's go to Karthik. Karthik, who will be playing next game, is a qualifier already. Karthik, what is your answer?
Is it South Africa?
Okay, South Africa will also not. We won't take your qualification back, but it is wrong. Okay, so without. Okay, Deepak, so this is the right answer.
Yeah. So Devashmit almost got it there.
France.
Okay, so France is the one. It's not UK. Many of you think it is UK. It's France. So these last questions are very tough. So tough in the sense they can be tricky. So just be very careful. Okay, Deepak, if you allow me, can I ask the next question?
Certainly.
Okay, so here comes the penultimate question for all players, and here it is. So you have to identify both the gorgeous ladies, both. So no doubt about that. And this contribution question is from Shubhra Agarwal. Shubhra Agarwal बहुत movies की बहुत अच्छा पकड़ रखती हैं और हमारी बहुत रेगुलर क्विजर हैं, और मुझे लगता है कि वो कुछ बॉलीवुड पे किताबें भी लिख रही हैं. So she's a real good quizzer. And Saveri Joydeep, closes for contestant, and then Sachin from audience. So Saveri, are you taking the
This
south
one I'll
mode?
get it right, I hope. It's Zinataman and Smita Patke.
Okay, so I'm not saying, okay, you're wrong actually. So because you have to get both right, so -10 Saveri. Joydeep,
Okay, can you hear me?
yes, Joydeep.
It is Zina Taman and Shobha De. This is a very old.
Zinat Taman and Shobha Day. So brilliant answer, brilliant. So this is Shobha Day and Zinat Taman. Any trivia you want to share, Joydeep, since you, I presume you are a neighbor of Shobha Day as well. At least you are a
Yeah. No, I'm actually a direct neighbor of Katrina Kaif for 17 years, but that's okay. So yeah, I mean, both have been in the
Joydeep,
pageant.
mail your address, please.
Yeah. So I mean, of course, it's a very famous photograph which was there in Filmfare in 1980s, 90, when both had been in the pageants, actually Miss India pageant.
Right. And Shobha Day looks still that gorgeous.
Gorgeous, yeah.
And Zinat Taman has slightly faded out, but still, Deepak, what do you think? She looks good, right? Zinat Taman.
For you, certainly.
Okay, so let's have the scores. Pulkit, if you can quickly pull up the scores before the final question. And hope audience, everyone today who have joined is enjoying this quiz. So before the final question comes, scorecard from Pulkit. So Pulkit, is it ready? Can you hear Pulkit?
Yeah, it is big. I'm just right.
Okay. So you can start sharing if you want, or you can just announce as well.
So yeah, these are the scores.
Okay, Deepak.
Yeah, it's a seesaw game again. Kaushik on -15. He can still throw a spanner in others' workshop if he gets the last one. Devashmith +20 still in the lead. I mean, not in the lead, but certainly in the
Game.
Saveri -25. Joydeep +30 leading the game, but nothing can be said till the last question, like we saw last time. Chandan on +15. He can still be the top contender. Pankaj -10. Nischal +10. Chiranjeev yet to score.
Okay, great. So Chiranjeev is in dugout, so that's I know it's difficult, but the game is for Joydeep, Chandan, Devasmith. They are the players to watch out for the final question, right, Deepak?
So should we allow only them, or should we allow?
No, everybody is allowed.
You can change the plan for anyone, na? Yeah.
Yeah, everybody is allowed, but they are the players to watch out for. Saveri can take a breather if she wants. Okay. Okay, so here comes, ladies and gentlemen.
Negatives, huh? She's going in the wrong direction.
So here comes the final question, Deepak. Over to you. You don't have to read out the question, Deepak. Let them read out themselves.
Yeah, sure.
It's a slightly longer question, but an easier one. Okay, so here comes the final one.
On the buzzer.
So basically, Punjabi father, mother worked as a shop assistant, and he has written a book, How to Not to Make Money. Who is the person we are talking about? So very much current affairs, Deepak, right?
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay, so we have just Pankaj from the team and Joydeep at the nick of the moment. So we are closing now, Pankaj and then Joydeep. And if they don't answer, then Sachin, Arpita and Samir in that order. So Pankaj, what is your call? Quickly, Pankaj.
Raj Kundra.
Okay. So Raj Kundra it is.
Pankaj has thrown spanner into others' workshop.
Okay, so
Jaideep must be thanking Pankaj. Jaideep?
Right, so Deepak, I know you have been a very good sports lover all your life, right? Your love for sports, Deepak, has been known. So I just want to ask, do you have any special interest in Raj Kundra's ventures?
I think you are the first subscriber of his app.
So I was not talking about the app. He's the owner of lot
Acha,
of
acha.
games also, plays games.
He
Rajasthan Royals
he
and
makes money wherever he puts his hand in.
right.
I
Okay,
think
so that
Rajasthan Royals was banned also.
right. So that was uh, all audience and players. Thanks for joining. So before we have the scores from Pulkit, I'm just opening up the chat for everyone. So how you felt about the quiz, how it was, and just you can mention your name, email as well if you want to participate in this quiz. So this is the chat is open for you now, and let's go to the winner slide. So Chandan plus 15, Debasmith plus 20, but the winner, as you can see the cup next to the person, is Joydeep Roy. Joydeep, congrats for winning first match and you got it. So great, Joydeep, and others also played very well. Pankaj
Yeah, it
just
was a
giving the
head-to-head
last answer.
competition
Right,
till the last question. Yeah.
great. So congrats again, Joydeep, and let's have Ritvik and Joydeep in the frame. So winner is Joydeep. Okay.
Congratulations, Joydeep sir. You're overwhelmed.
Thank you, Ritvik. Thanks a lot. And I've heard this song after a long time. It used to be in 1980s, one of my college days, parties songs when, atmosphere had to slow down a bit and get emotional. Beautifully
Try to
sung.
sing it now.
Beautifully sung. No, you've sung it so beautifully. That one. I'm talking of
Would you
Careless
like to
Whisper.
sing now?
Me? No.
So
Not in
Joydeep,
front of you. I do sing, but not in front of you.
Joydeep, that's a valid call. Just few words. Any song or anything you want to sing.
Okay.
That would be the prize. That will be your prize
Okay,
because
my sort of, let's say, sort of
dedication.
offering to her, Ritvik. I'll sing a couple of lines from my favorite lines from one of Jagjit Singh Ghazal from
Right.
a film, Hindi film, Sarfarosh.
Wow. 3, 2, 1, go.
उनसे हाले दिल कभी आहा हम लबों से कहे न पाए उनसे हाले दिल कभी और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज है और वो समझे नहीं ये खामोशी क्या चीज है इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए जिंदगी क्या चीज है थैंक यू
Great.
I thought it matched with Careless Whisper. Yeah.
Great. Really well sung. So that gives an opportunity to call you as a singer as well, Joydeep, in this coming program. Okay, so thanks, ladies and gentlemen. So we don't give any prizes, Joydeep. We play for a cause. So whatever we have contributed, whatever you have also generously contributed, all will go to Ritvik. And anybody wants to buy the audience passes, they can buy on my Paytm or Gmail or GPay or PhonePe anywhere. And that's a new initiative we have started from this time. And whatever we have contributed today, Ritvik, that goes
May I
to
say
you.
something more, Anurag? One more thing, because
Yeah,
that
sure,
time I was unmuted
sure.
and Deepak said, and I think that is an important thing because quizzing also has its own, can say the soul, right? And this is something that's what I've always followed, and I've always encouraged. I've been a master, everything, even Antakshari, the quizzes. So when Deepak said the Jyoti must be relieved, so no, I wasn't because I was thinking the safest thing to do for anybody is to just abstain, right? When you're leading by 10 points. But then I actually, pressed the buzzer. I deduced the answer. It had to be Rajkundra. I knew it. I would have answered Rajkundra. But you see, I entered because I thought it would be absolutely wrong of me to
Right.
play safe and just sit back saying, okay, let's hope if Devasmith doesn't answer, I'm okay. So that's why I pressed raise my hand because I think it is never good to stand
Right.
back and win. It doesn't give. So I'm
No,
happy
no,
that
no,
the
don't. I
answer
was
came.
joking. Even I belong to
No,
the
no,
old.
I'm not.
I also
Yeah.
belong to the old school quizzing
Yeah,
like you.
Right.
I understand.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
I was just
No, I
pulling
know.
your leg. and Nothing else.
I know. I'm just saying that time I was muted. I was saying, hey, hold on. Because I was saying this when the answer came. Yeah, because that is the thing to do always, and
Right.
that's what
Right.
I think
Okay.
that's
Yeah.
it becomes fun.
Perfect. So again, congrats, Joydeep. So let's all three of us do a thumbs up to Ritvik. And Ritvik, a prize coming your way. Prize coming your way from all of us. As a quizzers, we have contributed something for you, and we'll pass out to you. Okay. Thanks, Joydeep, once again.
Thank you.
Thanks, Deepak, once again for being the
Wonderful.
quiz master.
Deepak has been great.
And
Anurag, yeah.
Ritvik, we'll see you next time in the next program. Will you come?
Yes, sure, certainly. Any
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that was all from us today. Hope you liked it. Any suggestions, feedback you can give here. And thanks for joining. See you next week for another match. And our quest for getting the best quizzer continues. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining this program. Thank you.
good night.
Good night. Thank you very much.